Hi, I'm Eliza Kane with Gaia Goddess. And in this video, I'm going to share with you about breathwork meditation and what differentiates it from other types of meditation. Now, before I get into that though, I'm going to talk a little bit about the style of breath work we are going to be doing and focusing on, because there are many forms of breath work out there. And I definitely encourage you to try them all. They're really wonderful tools for you to build in your practice of being able to self-regulate. And they all serve incredible different functions. The style, however, that I am going to be speaking on is done all through the open mouth. It's a 2-part inhale, 1-part exhale, where the first inhale goes into the lower abdomen, the second inhale goes into the upper chest, and it looks and sounds like this. Inhale, inhale, exhale. Inhale, inhale, exhale. Nice and easy, nice and steady. Now, breath work is, I find, the most different than other forms of meditation because it's an active meditation and it is designed for the active minds of today. A lot of people, because we are in such a fast-paced society, they have a lot of trouble just sitting down to meditate. And even though they know that meditation is so beneficial, they feel like a failure. They sit down, their mind gets really loud, they get fidgety, and they're really uncomfortable. That's because they need to actually ease themselves into the process. And that's something that breathwork meditation is going to support you in doing. Because that breathing pattern, that's going to help the active mind have something to focus on. And it's going to satiate the part of the mind that feels like it always needs to be doing something. And in turn, it is going to ease the mind into relaxation. And that's something that I promise you'll find really supportive. Breathwork is going to ease the mind into relaxation. It's also going to ease the nervous system into relaxation. Most people's nervous systems are really wired. We live in a very frenetic and chaotic society. We are bombarded with information, a lot of it very fear-based, and this causes the nervous system to be contracted and stressed. From that space, it's really hard for the nervous system to feel safe in just relaxing and letting go and dropping into a deep space. From that place, it's going to be really hard for the nervous system to just relax and let go and drop into a place of relaxation and rejuvenation. So what the breath will do is it's going to help clear and cleanse away that frenetic energy. It's going to take that tension and that worry, and it's just going to soothe it off of the nervous system so that the nervous system actually feels safe in slowing down, and it feels safe in being receptive to drop into those deeper states. The nervous system is also one of the epicenters of well-being. It's a place that I find is really important for all functions of the body. You can even realize in epigenetics, they talk a lot about how the expression of our genes is something that we might even be in control of. And it's our levels of stress that will express to the gene how the gene should express itself. So learning to regulate your nervous system and take it out of this constant state of fight or fright is really important, and it's going to give you a much more vital sense of well-being. In the animal kingdom, you'll see that these animals, like if there's a little bunny that is running away and it's, afraid that the coyote is going to come and eat it, and then it escapes. It was just in this intense life or death situation. And what it will do when it finds that sense of safety again is it will actually shake, and it will shake that experience out of its nerves, and it will clear it from its nervous system. Human beings, we tend to hold on to our past experiences and contract and shut down a little bit. And that actually it keeps them from being able to just slow down and relax. And they're in this constant fight or flight mode. And that's something that we really want to work on relaxing people out of and helping them just feel safe, that they can slow down and